Morning, Phil. This is the video I told you I was going to cut for you and show you initially how how your ClickFunnels works and how you can easily modify any of the copy that you want. So when you log in, this is initially what you see. Your funnels here, which is the NT funnel. If you click that, and these will show you the pages on the left here. Currently it's 2 pages. You will go to edit page, but before we go there, I'll just show you, this is up here is the full URL for the whole funnel, and then down here is the specific URL for this page that is displayed. If I go to the last page, which is the thank you page here, this is a completely different URL from the first one. They're all coded to your custom domain that you bought. I made sure of that. So let's jump into the first page so I can show you pretty much the procedure on how to go ahead and edit any copy you want and so on. Alright, so when the page loads, this is the editor that's on the right. And basically, wherever you mouse over, you will have sections. And they're separated in green, blue, and orange, and they go like that. Basically, number 1 is the large section is always the teal green, and then the intersection of the teal green, which is called the columns, is a navy blue, and the specific rows are orange. So here is basically where your video is set. For example, let's say I will click this, and then an element will pop out and it will show me I'm doing a Vimeo video, and that's your video right there. It's on autoplay. It won't autoplay now because you have your password. When you lift that, it would autoplay. Everything is preset for you here because I've already set it for you. Now, real quick, you really don't need to find out any more here because I've set everything for you. It's already hooked up to your email list. Now, real quick here, like for example, you want to do an edit on About Us. You want to change it to something different. You will highlight it, click it, and you see it turns blue. Blue will allow you to go ahead and edit the text box specifically. And here, I delete it. And after everything you do, you click out, it's there. You want to come here and hit save. If you don't do this, whatever changes you made will not save. And if you want to preview your save on anything different, there's a preview button here. You click that, and it'll open up a window immediately showing you the previews. So this is what the page looks like live. You need to enter the password here. Okay, yeah, watch video. Great. So that plays, everything good. And this is pretty much what it looks like live. So well, that's your preview. When you go back into the editor, you close that previous page and your editor is on a different page, the original. You specifically want to edit any type of text. These are different type of boxes. These are text boxes. So I'm going to click it. It's actually the same. I'm talking about these right here. Yes, I'm going to click it, and an editor will come out. And you see that you can't edit like this one on the fly immediately because I set this to a special text box specifically because I have scripts running. So to do that, this text block will open up, and it says here edit text, open text editor. And when you click this, there's the text. This is where you can go ahead and update it and modify it and hit update. These controls here are pretty much your font, your color, your background color, and anything you want to hyperlink. And when you're done with it, you hit update. If you don't want to mess with it, just click out. Yeah. And once you're done with that, or anything else on the page to mess with your copy, it's very easy. Pictures are super easy. If you don't like these pictures, that's fine. You can find some better ones of yourself. If you click the element, you see the editor pops up. And the image URL is basically I uploaded it into the page here. So if you have the picture on your computer or some source, you'll go ahead and click upload image, and then you will go ahead and find it. Select it, and it'll show up here. And then once it's here, you will select the image and hit add image, and it will completely replace the image that is currently there. Okay, that's fine. What else here? These are similar text blocks like the one I told you before. Every time you click in on these text blocks, an editor will pop out, and then this is the open text editor. This will be here. What I should show you is this is a bit more difficult because this is all in code that I've made up. But the text is within the code. If you want to ask more questions, I can teach you that later. But in the front end here, let's see. All right, here we go. So these text boxes, if you want to change the testimonials, these are exactly the same as before, but if you notice that the font is white, this text color is black. So when you do open this, because there's a black background, you open the text editor and you open it and you realize there's nothing there. Actually, there is something there. It's just because all of it is white. You see I'm highlighting it in yellow, and if you want to edit it, real easy. You go ahead and highlight all the contents and go here to change to black. And then make your contents, make your edits, make your text, whichever, and then highlight it again, and then go white. Okay, that didn't work. There you go. Alright, and then you hit update. Oops. I changed. See what happened there. Okay. I update. Alright, so what's happening there on the back end is the background. So it's good this is happening right now, because this is the background right here. None. Rotate. Okay. Leave. Right. Cool. So, yeah, if you're going to edit these, just make sure to change the text font to black so you can see it in the text block. And then edit it, and then turn it back to white. All right, next portion is your Actionetics, your emails. Okay, so let me go back. Let's exit. Yes, leave. All right, so here, this is your Actionetics. This is basically your whole ClickFunnels hub for your emails. All right, so currently I opted in earlier. Yes, that's me specifically. I'm going to ignore Phoebe there for a quick second. And then, see, this is me specifically. I did it 20 hours ago. But if you go to Actionetics and then go to email lists, this is your list. This is your new Tycoon list that I've made for you. It's already connected to your funnel, and everything will populate in daily. How subscribes, and email sent, and so on. Here, so when you click Actionetics, here you will see your statistics, how many contacts, how many people so far. This right here, action funnels, this is basically your autoresponder. And I've already created a welcome email that's already tied up to your page. And when I click it, this is what it looks like. Alright, here it's got the NT logo. It's got a lot of networking there with all of you guys. And here's what you need to know. Welcome to our circle. We'll be updating you on all new and amazing events that will be populating here shortly. Keep an eye on your email for more information to come. To your success, Phil. Alright, so I did that specifically for you. If you don't like the copy, totally okay. This yellow orange button here is Open Email Editor. It'll open a whole editor for you that'll allow you to go ahead and edit this. Click it, and you just start deleting, or editing, or delete it all, and just completely do it. And put that back, and then every edit you go save. Once you save, you're good, and you can also preview too. Shows you what it looks like, what people will be seeing. All right. Oops. And then pre-header, your pre-header, subject line, phone name. NT. Alright, New Tycoon Access. So basically, the front name will be Phil, subject line, I have it somewhere else, and then New Tycoon Access I'm putting right now. You can change that right here in the pre-header. Settings is just body font and size. You don't need to pay attention to that. So you go ahead and close, and this is your email. Now, how do you, let's say you got like, okay, let's say you got like a list of 100, 200, 2,000 people, whichever. You want to get them an email quick, fast, and not put it in your autoresponder. This is what you go for, an email broadcast right here. Alright, email broadcast. You're going to hit New Email Broadcast. And create your subject line. Your email list, which is New Tycoon, or a new one that you have later on in any of your other pages you can do. Leave this the same. If you have, that's how I set up right now. And choose a template for here right now. I think what I'll do for you is save a template for you. Let me do that for you right now. Okay, let's go back to your action funnel here. Save as template. New Tycoon. Okay, that's fine. Create the email design. Great, so it's there. So, as you see, it's already there. Let's go back to our Actionetics. Click that. Email broadcasts, like I was trying to do earlier. Alright, you'll go to New Email Broadcast. And then bam, right to here on the bottom, it says New Tycoon. You can use this template immediately. Alright, hit preview just so you can see what all these look like. And just save the picture, change the picture, totally fine, up to you. Change text, initially what you want. Let's go ahead and do that so I can run you through it right now. Let's close this. Alright, use this template. Okay, and here it's just like the other window on Open Email Editor. Alright, you're going to basically edit it exactly like the other one. Alright, and that's a quick rundown on how you go ahead and do edit copy on your funnel and do edit and create emails. Any other questions? Feel free to send me or call me, man. Other than that, I'll talk to you soon. Later.